cabin. Cabin. Cabin is interior of the aircraft. Interior of the aircraft. For example, there is no smoking allowed inside the cabin. Complimentary. What would mean that? Complimentary. That's the best part of a travel, seriously. This trip is gonna be cool if everything is complimentary. What's the meaning of complimentary? Free of charge. Free of charge. No cost, right? We offer complimentary coffee and tea, but you have to pay for alcohol. Of course you have to pay for alcohol, for Christ's sake. Have you seen free alcohol? Yeah, sorry, never. But coffee and tea, for sure. Sometimes even soda, you can get one for free. Yeah, what about the gate? The gate is quite important if you are in the airport, okay? Gate, place where passengers go to wait to board a plane or aircraft. Gate 3B. Gate 3B is down this hall, and to your right. Okay, thank you very much indeed. I hope you enjoyed it, and please just make some comments. If you know more vocabulary, just make some comments right here. Thank you very much indeed. Cheers, fellas.